in the last 25 minutes, so many twists and reveal. I was like, where did they wait? What? Okay. Oh, he's not his son. He's not his girlfriend. He's not. Acha, Bobby. Oh, it's his son. It's
Son,
his
sister,
girlfriend.
wife, everything goes like
Yeah, everything.
like such a complicated family tree they'll be
And
having.
on the one hand, we have a German Netflix show called Dark, where
Yeah,
everyone is confused, like who is the mother, who is the
yeah,
father,
yeah.
what's the family tree, and India has given tough competition to
That too
by Dark. Such
before
yeah,
Dark, huh?
before Dark, exactly.
Visionary Remo D'Souza. Come on, we have not given him
Dude,
enough credit.
yeah, exactly.
Welcome everyone to a new episode of So Bad It's Good. Joining with me is my very good friend Jay Nair, and in this show, what we do is we talk about movies that got mixed reviews, negative reviews, not your critical darlings, basically. We just watch these films and we have fun with it. And today, for today's episode, we'll be talking about the Salman Khan star Race 3, which is our co-host Jay Nair's favorite film. Right,
Yeah,
Jay?
yeah, sure, man.
you know
I'm wearing
when
the
it
T-shirt of the one. Yeah, sure, why not? three
Vijay,
years.
let us all know your thoughts on Race 3.
Yeah, dude,
Look at Jay, he looks like
it's
going to a Viva, fully tense.
worse than that. For Viva, you actually prepare and I don't know how to phrase it in like very like it's hard for me to just swallow this feel like it was in E. Then I went to watch first day first show, and after the first half ends, I looked to my best friend and I was like, bro, it like gaya gaya it's like okay, and like after like you know what the bizarre thing is, after I finished the movie, after watching the second half of the movie, I was pretty stoked. Like second, I love the second half. I don't know what happened. I think subconsciously I created a character in my head that first half is so bad, but second half is good in compared to that. Okay, see, the base should be at least zero, right? No, I'm comparing with negative. Something there is that is negative. So I'm comparing. Okay, negative, but zero. Huh, it's good. It's good. Yeah, it's
So
good.
what happened is, as you watch the first half, your standards got lowered so much that
Yeah,
when something
exactly.
happened, you're like, huh?
Dude, the interval bang is the highlight of any commercial movie. Look at
Yeah.
any great like good commercial movie. The interval bang is like okay, the people should be excited to eat like
Hmm.
stuff back open and get back in the theater as soon as that. But this was the lamest interval bang in the history of Bollywood and the worst for Salman Khan movie. That's what hurt me the most. By the time I was saying is I was like, it was simply इस रेस का सिकंदर मैं हूँ. I was like, this should have happened in the first 20 minutes itself. Like, why
No,
is this
no,
happening after?
no, bro, no, bro. The first 20 minutes, they had to do
Oh
two
no.
intros for Salman Khan, two intros
Oh
for
no.
Anil Kapoor.
Oh no.
There are even two opening title credit styles. That's when you know this movie is confused by itself.
Dude, confusion is like you're going miserable on it.
Hmm.
The thing is not, see, the first race is so iconic movie
Yeah,
because
I know.
it showed a class, how
Hmm.
like it's not
A
how rich people
celebration of
live.
lifestyle,
Yeah,
high standard,
lifestyle like
you know,
exactly. That's what people look up to as race, like race.
like a
Saif Ali Khan.
fantastical lifestyle in a way for many
Exactly
people.
how not so privileged people think about
Hmm.
how the rich lives, the
Yeah, yeah,
glamour and the extravaganza. But race 3 was all that on like in paper, but whenever they opened their mouth for like delivering a dialogue, they're saying it in Bhojpuri. I mean, what the fuck is the logic in that? You're showing a guy who has a net worth of like $100 million or something, and anytime he's opening his mouth is like, "Arey bhauji, मैं क्या बोलते हैं अपन इसको इधर ला देते." And you know what the worst part is? The producer made 105 crore profit from it, and the distributor lost 20 crores from it.
Mhm.
That's the
That's
thing. The
true. That's
producer Ramesh Turani from Trips Official knew by the time he will sign Salman Khan, he will get like immediately recover the budget from the satellite right, music light and stuff.
Mhm.
And the same thing happened. After
Yeah.
all that negativity, the movie end up earning 100 crores in the first 3 days. That's the stardom you are carrying, and you are doing this. That's what
Mhm.
hurts me the more. Dude, the sky is the limit for any Salman Khan star. Even a decent Salman Khan star. See, Bajrangi is not like the best movie ever made. It was a
Yeah.
very good movie. right?
Hmm.
And that end up being one of the highest grosser ever in terms of footfall as well. It is
That's
like
the
only second
potential,
to
right? You
Dangal.
have. That's the
And
potential you have when you bring in Salman,
exactly
right?
this,
You do a good film because there's
exactly,
accessibility is very high. Like because the marketing will always be very high. So
yeah,
when you on top of that you do a good film, everyone is going to come in. But when you do a movie like this,
exactly.
no,
No,
I
it
have
was,
some no, I have some very big
yeah,
thoughts on
yeah,
this
sure,
film.
sure.
Very crucial thoughts that will blow
Oh, okay.
everyone's minds. Okay, I think this film should
Hmm.
have been called Race 2. Okay, not Race 3,
Hmm.
because okay, in
Okay.
this film features two opening title credits, two Anil Kapoor entries,
Hmm.
two Salman Khan entries,
Yeah.
two Salman Khan
Yeah.
gliding shots. Like
Uh,
again,
mm,
two times Salman Khan gets killed. Like everyone thinks he's dead. So
yeah.
basically, it should have been called. On a more serious note, why is this even called Race 3? It has no connection to any of what happened in the
Dude,
first two movies.
and it's like all the flashback is coming. Like I'm recalling each and every scene from the movie, and I just remember the gliding shot which you talked about. That that was where like there were certain many moments where I realized like no one is serious in making this movie, and it was
Yeah,
pretty much shown everywhere in the first half. By the time Bhai started gliding from Cambodia to
yeah.
Dubai, dude, that's a fucking 5,400 kilometer distance.
I half expected him to
5,400
turn.
kilo.
I half expected him to turn to the camera and remove a thumbs up bottle and be like,
That see, now we are talking. This is it. This is it. Now we know the movie itself doesn't take it seriously. But dude, I by the time I was, do you know what I did when the scene came out? I was like, I looked to my best friend and Adi said, Bhai flew from Cambodia to Dubai. Let me see the distance. Okay. The first thing you should, okay, Bhai, I saw 5,000. Bro, it's a continent. Like a difference between continent. Then what same person does is see how much the farthest distance a guy can make from the swing suit, the swing
yeah,
diving. And
yeah.
that is 34 kilometer
But this
distance
is
is the Guinness Book
Salman
of World Record.
Bhai. Come on, man.
Exactly. Why, dude, why are Hollywood people are spending so many billions of dollars on making superhero movie when bhai doing in every movie?
See,
Dude, he's like
you know what we
flying.
should do? We should tell Tom
Hmm.
Cruise that someone actually did the stunt. He actually flew those
Yeah,
money, and then he will try to do this on his own in the next Mission Impossible movie.
that will be the first failure in that guy's life. That's going to be the first stunt failure in the Tom Cruise
But
life.
watching this film, I had so many thoughts this time. Like as I said, many
Yeah, yeah.
crucial points I'm bringing into this. You are
Hmm.
bringing all this, very sensible thoughts on the failure of the film, and I am bringing but the crucial points here. There's a scene where after the gliding, Salman Khan just removes everything and he comes down in the business suit.
Hmm.
He just like crashes down in his business suit. Okay. And that too, he did that in like 10 seconds. I'm like, I wish I knew this when I was going to my MBA college. Like the amount of times I've struggled to
Ah.
like when I woke up late. I had to learn this skill,
Dude,
just like that. Out of nowhere, a business suit comes.
you're talking about the entry, right? The
Yeah, the entrance.
very first scene. Oh
Again,
God, it was
they
like,
swear the camera to Salman Khan's friend, like, we don't know how he looks. Like that's how they were treating him.
yeah,
Like, you showed his face when
yeah.
he was gliding. Like, we
That was
forgot.
a lot. I was like, there are entries which you like pretty much build up slowly, like a stretched entry, which you say
Yeah.
like first you show the hand. It was very stretched.
Yeah.
I was like, "Arey, bro, show me now. Come on, yaar. Now,
No,
up
but
to the
see,
yeah,
it's not even that. They even showed him. Then they were pretending like we didn't show.
yeah, yeah. That I was like, wait, uh,
Oh
okay,
my
yeah.
god.
It
Then,
was
okay,
like,
wait. I have so many as I said,
yeah, yeah.
crucial points.
Keep going,
And like,
keep
okay,
going.
okay. And then in the middle of the warehouse, first of all, the warehouse, like which they attack, which all these pointless characters attack. Okay, it
Yeah.
looks like a dance set. Like
Hmm.
it does not look like a real warehouse from any angle. There's a green light going, smokes going everywhere as the workers
I
are
I
working.
I think it was a set of like Hiriye or Allah Duhaiye song. I think it
Definitely.
was pretty much definitely. Dude, they are saving money. You know how dude, just saving money. This places.
Okay, Saqib Salim, I think that's his name, and Desi Shah, they
Yeah,
both
yeah.
start like shooting everyone with no cover. No cover. They're just like coming. And all the warehouse workers are like, oh shit.
Uh, Dude, that's pretty much how I like imagine myself when I was like 7, 8, and I
Yeah.
was like how I would be a superhero like ta 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 ta
But
ta.
bro, even when you were 7, 8, okay, you wouldn't have done what
Uh,
Saqib Salim does. Like in the middle of the gunfight. Ah! One thing is about this film is that everyone is very lazy, like you said, in the acting. Even Anil Kapoor,
yeah.
who's normally a very good actor, even he looks like he's just like, he's just going through
Cash
life.
grab.
He's just
Yeah,
going
cash
through
grab.
life. Like he's just wearing this very heavy coats in the desert, just walking
Arey.
around, shooting at random people. Sometimes, and I feel like when Anil Kapoor shoots now, it's like sometimes when he shoots, the person just dies. Sometimes when he shoots, they burst into flames. He only doesn't know. Okay.
Man,
And
it's
other thing of this film is that this film is one film which has no plot, but also so much plot at the same time.
dude, in the last 25 minutes, so many twists and reveal. I was like, where did they wait? What? Okay. Oh, that's why I told you, na. I love the movie in the second half because like it was everything one after another. Okay, no, he's not his son. He's not his girlfriend. He's not. Acha, Bobby. Oh, it's his son. It's
Son,
his
sister,
girlfriend.
wife, everything goes like,
Yeah, everything.
like such a complicated family tree they'll be
And
having.
one thing I remember when they were like showing like they're telling about like who is the son of him, like who is the mother, and
Yeah,
I was like, by that logic, that was an incest.
yeah.
Anil Kapoor, that actually was an incest.
As I said,
I
no,
was like,
that family tree, right? When they form it,
uh,
there'll be so much red corrections. Like, no, not here. Then now go
dude,
here.
or on the one hand, we have a German Netflix show called Dark, where
Yeah,
everyone is confused, like who is the mother, who is the
yeah.
father, what's the family tree, and India has given tough competition to
That too
by Dark.
before Dark,
Yeah,
na?
before Dark, exactly.
Visionary Remo D'Souza. Come on, we have not given him
Dude,
enough credit.
yeah, exactly. People always troll before making any facts. Are like, are nonsensically white trolling. Dude, he's doing so many things.
That's true.
You're
We are,
not
we are
that
not
attached.
grasping it. We are not grasping it.
Yeah, बोलते हैं ना,
Very
like हीरे
disappointing.
का हीरे का पहचान जौहरी को होता है. वो that's
Very sad. It's very sad. But we
very
talked about recycled sets where they saved economical money by
Mhm.
using the same set for like the action scenes. They also use the same love song twice, again saving money. See, that's like brilliant masterstroke.
Dude, that was the biggest troll for me. Like, "Arey, yeah, people ask for more and you give
Yeah.
them more in the like movies, but this was not how you do it. Like, you
Like, it's
promise.
not even a sequel. A sequel,
Yeah.
they repeat the song. In the same film, they just reuse the same.
Man, it was like amazing. Oh God.
And Salman Khan gets like first they think they killed him after after dancing in Heere, but he's not dead. And then I think
Yeah.
when they shot that whole action scene with him in the bike, right? That's when they realized that, oh wait, they're going to make this film in 3D. They're going to post convert
Yeah.
because suddenly in that scene, suddenly you have like wood pieces coming on screen, bomb explosions, and you're like, oh, it's in 3D. Did you watch it in 3D?
Yeah, I did.
Oh
I
my
did, I
god.
did. And that was actually the saving grace. That was everyone was against that decision, but Remo from the day one was like, okay, we are going to move this movie in 3D only. And
I think then he
producer
forgot,
like,
I
"Hey,
guess, while he was shooting.
no. See, it's like, see, I have to give Remo props for this particular decision because even though he's not like from the producer and the financial, like you don't think about that much while making the movie, when you are a director, but he took the right decision because Race 3 was Race 3D at least was the saving grace. People at least will be visiting the 3D. Okay, it's in 3D. Maybe something will be good, and it's expensive also as compared to the. Yeah, exactly. That's another thing. But at least people went. People went. Okay, we are watching it, so we are. And the 3D tickets are expensive than the 2D one.
Yeah.
So he did the master stroke there. He did a pretty good.
Nothing was.
Yeah, no, I was not even surprised. Okay, dude, I did not like what to say.
These are like my final
Yeah.
thoughts. You can add into it
Mhm.
after this. I just feel like this movie is one of those movies where you can skip, okay, and you'll reach in some other area, but you still wouldn't care about the plot. You
Yeah, exactly. Okay, that's why I say now the last 25 minutes, so many plot twist happens. Now I was like, okay, was there a plot in the first place? Like, how are these things unfolding right now? Like,
we
what is that?
wouldn't
Dude,
care. They also
yeah,
didn't care.
yeah.
Oh my god. Anyway,
Oh
we
God,
talked
it's
enough.
such
We are
a,
all warmed up now
yeah,
for Radhe, I think. Like we are all
yeah,
excited. Jay will be putting out his review as and when it
yeah.
comes. It's the
If
fastest
I'll,
review. It'll be like before Anupama Chopra, before Rajay was, before, say some reviewers name, na?
dude, I don't,
Before any
before,
of these reviewers,
yeah,
our review will be out there.
if I survive by the time it ends, yeah, I will
No, bro, I'm
surely.
promising you this one. With that promise,
Oh, and with that promise, I want to say, एक बार भाई के फैन ने कमिटमेंट कर दी, मतलब रिव्यू आ रहा है, मतलब आ ही रहा, अब देख लो भाई.
it's done. It's done. So
That's
subscribe.
done.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We were just trying to we're just laughing with the film, not really at it. So
Yeah,
if you guys do
yeah.
enjoy such content, be sure to hit that like button. Do share this comment. Do subscribe. And that's it for this week. Do have a great weekend.